Introduction. In electronics, a common collector amplifier, also known as an emitter follower, is one of the three basic single-state bipolar junction transistor amplifier topologies typically used as voltage buffer. And there is a circuit. In this circuit, the base terminal of the transistor serves as input, the emitter is output, and the collector is common to the both. Hence its name. The analogous field effect transistor circuit is common drain amplifiers, and the analogous tube circuit is cathode follower. Why input resistance is very high for common collector transistor circuits. Below is a complete CC stage with a non-NPN bipolar junction transistor. This is a circuit for NPN bipolar circuit transistor. The value R1, R2 and RE will be chosen to bias the BJT in the active region. That means VE, voltage E is approximately equal to VCC by 2, and the base and collector currents are positive when entering into the transistor, and the emitter current is positive when going out of transistor. Assume that the voltage signal source is attached to the input and its frequency is enough so that the signals are not attenuated by coupling capacitor. Then to study amplification parameters, it is performed small signal analysis of CC states using a simple model for the BJT and reshaping the external circuits for simple small signals analysis. The resulting small signal analysis is given. This is a circuit for a small signal circuit where R source is equal to R1, R2 and RING. That is R initial impedance. Usually R initial impedance is less than R1 and R initial is less than R2, such as we can use R source is approximately equal to R initial. From the circuit we can calculate input impedance and gain since input impedance Vi equal to R source IB plus R pi IB plus RE into 1 plus beta IB. The input resistance R initial equal to Vi by Vb Ib equal to R source plus R pi plus Re into I 1 plus beta, which is approximately equal to Re 1 plus beta. The approximation is usually valid since the last term in the sum is much larger than the other. How is input impedance high in collector, and why is current gain is maximum but voltage gain is below is the value of R initial is usually high, a few hundreds of kilo ohm. From the inspection of the circuit, we also get VO equal to RE into 1 plus beta IB, such as the voltage gain AV is given, and the approximation is based on the same argument about the relative values of the term. Finally, the current gain AI relates the input current is IB and the current IE in RE, which holds load in circuit AI equal to IE by IB equal to 1 plus beta. And in common signal transistor, it is valued at 200 or more. Conclusion. A common collector configuration, the input impedance is high and the voltage gain is unity for much the same reason. Since the output is taken from the emitter, of the voltage difference between the base and the emitter is 1 diode drop. This means the input feeds a diode whose load follows the input voltage so that appears as high resistance to the input and gains. Since the emitter voltage in flow following the input, the maximum current gain of the transistor. The reference from google.com, scholars.google.com, and coroj.com, electronic tutorials.ws. Thank you.